Hi, welcome back. Video 5, almost done, I promise. So last video left off, we were in Microsoft Teams through Office 365 on vPortal, and we had looked at how to look at files that I was sharing with you on that. From that page, I want to talk about how another way we can communicate. Of course, we have Remind. If you need to sign up for Remind, let me know and I will send you the link. That is probably the quickest and fastest way to get a response. But we have Remind, we have email, and text, however you want to do it. But I want to show you also Microsoft Teams has this really great feature where you or your child can call me, especially during office hours, and either talk and see each other or do audio call. So I want to show you from their screen what that might look like. Okay, so they're in Mrs. Schachter's third grade class. They're going to come down here on the side menu, click, and go up to the calls button. Okay, it's going to bring up this screen, and you can see speed dial. In order to speed dial me, you will need to come up to this bar, and you're going to type in my last name, S. Okay, let's try it again. SCHACHTER. It should pull up my name. My computer is not pulling it up because I'm searching for myself. So if it doesn't pull it up, you may need to add the comma, space, LAURA. And hopefully it will generate something that looks like this. Okay, we'll use Miss Holzman for an example. And I would click on, you're going to click on Laura Schachter. I'm clicking on Miss Holzman. It brings up a chat screen. I'm not sure you're going to have that part featured, but you should be able to come over here. And I want to point something out carefully. This is what you'll click on to do a video call. This is what you will click on for an audio call. Now, there is another camera on here, down here. That is not to make the video call. That is actually for Zoom. So to contact me, you're going to be using one of these two icons. And I'm going to show you real quick. If I were video calling Mrs. Holzman, one of our fabulous 5th grade teachers, it would be calling her there. And then when you go hang up, you would just click on the little red button and it would have ended. But on this screen, you will see a picture of me and I will be able to see you if you do the video. The same thing applies for the audio. It's going to call. You still have the hang up feature. We're good to go. While we are talking about that, I do want to talk about office hours. So we have established office hours. I've established mine as Monday through Friday from 9 to 11 in the morning and 1 to 3 in the afternoon. Does that mean that's the only time you can contact me? Absolutely not. That just means that that is the time that I will be at my computer for sure and available to do things like the Microsoft Teams. But I am also available at other times too. You know how to get a hold of me through Remind and whatever, email, messaging, text messaging, you name it. And if I am available, I will answer or get right back to you as soon as possible. I also understand the need that I know a lot of parents are still working or working from home and that you may need some nighttime hours. And I am flexible with that as well. If you anticipate needing some nighttime hours or your student's going to be mostly doing their work at night, if you'll please let me know and just send me a message. And we can kind of even make and maybe even set some nighttime hours just to accommodate that as well. So again, we're all in this together. We've got to be flexible, and we can do this. And I hope that these videos answered a lot of your questions, at least to get you through the initial starting on Monday. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions.